I'm Tom Church from MJ Church. We're here at Weston Beach Race today. It's the Wednesday, so we've got 10 customers here that we've brought down with a Dayfork Honda off-road school, and they're just having a ride around, as you can see behind me, and getting a taste of Weston.
Collectively getting a little bit harder now that it's starting to rut out, and it's getting a little bit softer, isn't it? We're out here having a corporate day with some of their customers, and they are having a blast.
Yeah, it will be a good experience for them, because you know it's not every day that you get to do this.
What a fantastic day, you know, everyone's loving it. The beach is amazing.
Oh, it's awesome. Oh, I'm pumped, it's kidding.
You've got to have a little bit of drive down.
Andrew, how do you think that conversation is going to go later when you tell Kate I'm thinking about getting a bike again?
Absolute class. Really, really good fun. Really good instruction. Never done it before. Now I feel like I'm going to be in the car on the way home thinking, right, I'm going to have a dirt bike now. I'm going to have to get one.
Does it give you a bit more respect for Tom's former racing career? What he's like on a bike?
It gives me no extra respect for Tom Church because I feel like, well, I've never done it before. And I've stacked it once, and I feel like if I was doing it, you know, 2 or 3 days a week for 10 years, I'd be good at it. So it's like, well, you know, my dad wasn't buying me motorbikes when I was a little kid. He wasn't buying me all the gear. You know, I had a 300-year-old push bike with one wheel. I had a penny farthing when I was a kid and no shoes. Got a ball of string every other Christmas. So no extra respect. No.